Hi everyone, I am Maria, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about diving in a career in marine biology. So I often get asked whether or not you need to know how to dive to be a marine biologist. And the answer is, as many of the answers to all the questions that I answer in this channel, it depends. Mostly it depends on the type of research you do and your specific field of study within the mega field of marine biology. If your research revolves around experimentations on the field or field observations that require you to be underwater for long periods of time, then probably, yes, you will probably need to know how to dive. An example of this is, for instance, if you are monitoring corals and you need to, I don't know, for 1 month you need to monitor some kind of parameter of the coral that requires field observations, that requires that you dive and look at the coral and take notes. Or if you need to do experiments with the coral, then maybe in this case, yes, it will benefit you if you know how to dive. However, there are certain cases, if not maybe the majority, in which you will not need to dive in order to do your research. If you study the migration of whales, for instance, you will probably not need to dive. You will probably need to go on a boat, do observations, maybe tag some animals, but it probably will not need to dive to tag them. You can do that from a ship. And after that, all you have to do is monitor the GPS signals, which you can do from your computer. Basically, the answer to this question is it highly depends on what is your field of study and what it is that you are studying. For instance, in my case, I do not need to dive to do my research. All the dives I did during my PhD were either for recreational purposes or to help friends that required diving in their PhD. So yeah, for instance, I could have done my PhD without knowing how to dive. And this holds true for a big percentage of the marine biology jobs out there. There are even people who don't know how to swim and work in this field. So definitely, diving is not a requirement for marine biology in general, but maybe for some specific fields it might be. The main reason for why most marine biologists know how to dive is because we love marine life and we love observing it and being in the sea. So diving is one of the ways to do that. That's also one of the reasons for why so many marine biologists know how to dive, even though they would not need to do their research. So this was it. I hope this clarified this question for you. Some of you guys were asking me this. I hope that now the answer has been, I hope now the question has been answered. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more marine biology related content, and like the video if you liked it. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.